everybody, Hi everybody, Asam Filipina here. Welcome back. So today I have these two boxes and I'm going to unbox it. So let's get started, and today I do my nail polish like red. So I put red, and for today's video I'm going to show you what I have. So this is flats. So I have new flats. So I found red. Wait, there's insect. So I see Delilah. So I found this red at Gaisano today, and this is not a sponsored video. And this is so cute. It's red. I sell some of my flats, like 30 pairs of flats. My god, that's a lot. I have one customer who purchased a custom video for fit video, pedal pumping, and then I used that one, and he don't want to reuse the shoe. So what I do is I sell it. So it's all sold, and now I realized I better keep that one, so for souvenir. And now I'm collecting again. So it's red, and then I'm just gonna put it here. So cute. So I'm gonna check if it's dry, then I can try this on. Let's try. It's very noisy. Tomorrow is eviction. Okay, so this is the flats. Put this aside. Okay, next we're going to unbox this, another flat. So it's black. Super cute. next, I'm gonna try this. Have to remove the tag. It's like I'm crushing stones here.